how are you?
Good morning. Good morning.
My pleasure. Gulani,
Have no problem.
Germany. Wonderful to see. Great. Hi. Excellent, guys. Excellent. Finishing laser plastic on your advanced keratoconus. Can you tell any difference?
Yeah, it looks pretty clear.
Yes?
Yes. It's a circle.
Yes.
Nice. That's always a good sign from what I see.
Gentleman's going to be a pilot, right?
Yes.
Safe travels back to Germany.
Thank you.
Here is our pilot from Germany. Can you see already?
Yes, I have Gulani Vision.
Yes, be the best pilot you can in Germany.
Yes.
Johnny.
Yes.
And then teach me what Ninja Warrior is. Okay? Again, get some rest and then you're flying to Germany on
Saturday.
get some rest in the hotel. Yeah. And next time you come, I want six pack.
Shall I show you?
Yes.
Look. I ate already.
Look at that. Look at that. Amazing.